Are you looking to create a quick one-page website to get your business online? I'm going to show you how you can do this with Aweber landing pages. Let's jump right in. I made a template that you can copy into your account, customize, and publish in only a couple minutes. To copy this landing page into your account, scroll to the very bottom of the page and click the copy button in the bottom right-hand corner. To get a link to this landing page, see the description of this video. Let's edit our page. Make sure you're on your page design settings to update your template styles. You can change what font is on your page, what your buttons look like, and your background image and color. Once you're happy with your page design, go ahead and click on the View Newsletter button and paste in the link to your newsletter hub. You can find the link to your newsletter hub from your drafts page or in the Personalize Your List section of your list settings. Before you save your page, navigate to your page settings and customize your page URL. You can link it to a custom or subdomain, set your page path as your homepage, and update your page title and description and image that is shared when you share this link on social media platforms. Save and exit your page, and publish. And just like that, you have a one-pager. You can start sharing your website, promote your new business, and start growing your list today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial videos and leave any questions you have in the comments.